Okay, what you're seeing now is question number 20, same directions as the previous. We're going to solve and graph the inequality. So again, same directions we were using with equations and the same ones we used in the last question. I know I want this variable on the left. Again, this time it's the left of the inequality sign. And I want my numbers on the right, as to the right of this inequality sign. So we see that my odd duck here is 14. 14 is a number. Remember, numbers belong over here on the right, but clearly 14 is on the left. And when I'm saying left, again, I'm talking about left of the inequality sign. So when I want to move something to the opposite side, I'm going to do the opposite. And the opposite in this case is going to be to subtract 14 from both sides. We can clearly see that over here, 14 minus 14 is going to go to 0, which is what makes this work. Remember, the opposite in this case, yes, I understand that there's a big old addition sign in this question, but that's really stuck to k. 14 here is a positive. The opposite of a positive is a negative, and a negative kind of looks like a subtraction sign. So that's why I'm subtracting 14 here. All right, 14 minus 14 does indeed go to 0, which is how all these addition, subtraction of equation and inequality problems have worked. It's going to leave me k on the left side of the equal sign, which is great. And over here I've got 25 minus 14, which is, of course, not 9. I wrote 9, but I meant 11. 11. 25 minus 14 is 11. So that's going to be k is greater than 11. And now I'm going to make a quick little graph to show k is bigger than 11. Remember, you could check this if you wanted to. Pick any number, in this case, that's bigger than 11, because the inequality says k is greater than 11. So pick 20, for instance. 20 is clearly bigger than 11. If I go up here and change k into 20, 14 plus 20 is 34. 34 is bigger than 25. Done deal. All right, the inequality was valid. 34 is bigger than 25. Okay, so again, the graph is just a little visual representation of that to show me all the numbers that work. As you can see, I put down 0 and the number in my problem, which is 11. We're going to put a dot down that corresponds with this sign. In this case, that's an open dot. The open dot represents, again, that this does not have the line underneath it. Again, when you have the greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, those get graphed with closed in or filled in or shaded in dots. And then I've got to show you where all those numbers that are bigger than 11 are, that are answers, like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Those are, again, off to the right.